Axolt ERP gives your company the tools you need in taking control of your shop floor for every step of every job, every day, from order to shipment, and everything in between. Product configuration, material requirement planning, logistics, capacity planning, workforce management, and work center costing. You name it. Let's take a quick look at Axolt ERP, how it makes it easy and fast to put together accurate manufacturing orders. Let your shop floor knows what or how much they're going to produce and the bill of material required. You know that all your costs. Simply input the fields you want to include and Axolt ERP automatically calculates the MRP, work order operations, workforce requirements based on routing selection, then let you track the status of each manufacturing order, and its execution steps are clearly displayed in a streamlined, easy-to-use interface. The instructions and accompanies the manufacturing order to your shop floor, so everyone understands exactly how you plan to make the part. The built-in scheduling tool then helps your shop floor to keep running smoothly. A graphical, easy-to-understand overview lets you see how your scheduling fits in with activity on the shop floor, showing you at a glance of any areas on your floor that are overloaded, those working below capacity, and those that are just right, helping you to optimize efficiency. And if you need to change things for any reason, you can expand in on any information and merely drag into and move things around. Axolt ERP also delivers full control over your raw materials, hardware supplies, miscellaneous purchases, and third-party services, so once you enter a job, you'll see straight away if you have enough raw materials in stock. If not, Axolt ERP will take account of lead times to ensure you schedule the purchaser's dashboard accordingly, which helps you to see all of those features. All material, purchases, outside services, and shortages are easily recognized by your purchasing manager when it comes to material usage. Barcodes let your employees scan in and out of their jobs for fast and efficient material consumption. But if you prefer to enter manually instead, no problem. If you just want your employees to enter raw material used or scrapped during the jobs, you can assign appropriate permissions to that employee and be able to allow them to start and stop jobs as well as clock in and clock out to accurately calculate time for each operation and an exact end-to-end ERP to simplify your manufacturing that effortlessly keeps you in control in every step of the way.